Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use Instagram's Add Your sticker to create fun, interactive stories and boost engagement. Let's jump in. First, open the Instagram app and swipe right to create a new story. Then here, snap a photo, record a video or upload from your gallery. And then tap the sticker icon at the top and select Add Yours. Then here, type a prompt like for example, dumps pictures, what's in your bag, your throwback photo, or your view right now. And once you post it, others can tap the sticker and respond with their own story, keeping your content or your prompt going. You'll be able to see who joined in by tapping your story and viewing the sticker thread. And that's how easy it is to use the add your stickers in Instagram stories. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe and hit that bell icon for more Instagram hacks. Thanks for watching.